The digital side view mirrors are a world-first technology that replaces the conventional side mirrors with cameras and displays. When you turn on the indicator or change lanes, the cameras will zoom out and show you a wider angle of your surroundings, helping you avoid blind spots and see more of what's behind you. Another benefit of the digital side view mirrors is that they provide a clear and undistorted image of the road, regardless of the weather or lighting conditions. When you park or reverse, the cameras will zoom in and show you a closer view of the adjacent vehicles or obstacles, preventing you from scratching your wheels or bumping into something. They also have an automatic brightness adjustment that reduces glare from headlights or sunlight and enhances the image quality at night or in tunnels. The Rightline Gear Mochi Doorstep gives you easy access to your vehicle's roof. The doorstep is universal to all vehicles and works in both the front and rear doors. Simply hook the doorstep over one of the vehicle's U-shaped door latches. The doorstep's rubber bumper and coated hook protect your vehicle's door frame. Step up on the doorstep 1 foot at a time, using your hands to help raise your body weight. The Mochi Doorstep provides a comfortable platform for both feet and allows for a balanced standing position. Store the step in your vehicle's center console glove box or spare tire compartment when not in use. You can use the doorstep to strap down car-top cargo bags and boxes, sporting equipment, or simply to wash your vehicle's roof. The Mochi Doorstep makes getting your gear on or off your roof a breeze. Cost of this handy device is just under $50. The Hudway Drive, a portable head-up display for any car. The Hudway Drive is one of the most advanced and versatile HUDs on the market. It works with any smartphone and any car, and it has some amazing features that make it stand out from the rest. First of all, it has a 1.8-inch color LCD screen that can produce a bright and clear image even on a sunny day. It comes with a power-in mount that you can easily attach to your dashboard with adhesive pads. The mount has a built-in projector that reflects the screen onto a transparent film that you stick on your windshield. It can also connect to your smartphone via Bluetooth and uses its own app to display various information on the HUD. One of the coolest features is it can also show you calls and notifications from your phone on the HUD. You can see who's calling you or texting you from over 10 different messengers, and you can answer or reject calls using voice commands or gestures. You can also see GPS navigation directions from your favorite apps like Google Maps or Waze. The app will show you turn-by-turn instructions, lane guidance, traffic alerts, and estimated arrival time. The Hudway Drive also integrates with your car's onboard diagnostic system using a wireless OBD2 scanner that comes with the device. The Hudway Drive retails for around $279. The Fobo Tire 2. This little device monitors your tire pressure in real time while driving or when within Bluetooth range. It detects slow or fast leaks and alerts you to any problems. It comes with 4 sensors that you attach to your valve stems, an in-car unit that plugs into your cigarette lighter socket, and a wrench to lock the sensors. The installation is very easy and takes less than 5 minutes. Once installed, the Fobo Tire 2 will monitor your tire pressure 24/7 and give you 6 levels of alerts when something is wrong. This is also available for motorcycles too. It uses Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which is faster and more reliable than previous versions. It's easy to use, affordable, and compatible with most smartphones. The cost of this product is $159. The Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor is a small device that plugs into your car's OBD2 port, which is usually located under the dashboard. It connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and works with the free Zeus app, which you can download from the App Store or Google Play. The app has a simple and user-friendly interface that shows you various information about your car's health and performance. One of the main features of the Zeus Smart Vehicle Health Monitor is the Engine Health Monitor, which scans your car's engine for error codes and tells you what they mean and how to fix them. This can save you a lot of time and money by avoiding unnecessary trips to the mechanic or by fixing minor issues yourself. It is easy to install and use, and it doesn't drain your car's battery when it's not in use. It costs just under $60 on the official website. The Lanmoto Car Tent is not just a car tent, it can also be a pop-up tent, a beach tent, a fishing umbrella, and a LED camping tent. It's very easy to install with a one-touch wireless remote. It automatically folds and unfolds in 8 seconds, and the total installation process only takes 30 seconds. It is made of 210D Oxford cloth, which is super waterproof and easy to clean. It also has a stainless steel frame that is anti-rust and durable. It has 4 wind ropes that can be attached to the car door handles and front view mirrors for better stability. Another great feature of the Lanmoto Car Tent is that it can protect your car from falling objects, such as branches, fruits, bird droppings, and even hail. It has a strong fiberglass structure that can withstand up to 70 kilos of weight. It also has a soft rubber suction cup that can absorb shock and prevent damage to your car roof. Prices start around $300. The CarAid Emergency Car Tool, an 18-in-1 device that can save your life in any roadside situation. It is a compact and powerful tool that can jumpstart your car without another car. It also has a flashlight, a compass, a thermometer, a hook, an emergency rope, an emergency alarm, a window breaker, a seatbelt cutter, a strong magnet, and more. What if you're trapped inside your car after an accident and you need to get out quickly? You can use the window breaker to smash the glass and the seatbelt cutter to free yourself. The CarAid has a mega flashlight that can illuminate up to 230 meters. It also has an SOS light and an emergency flasher that can signal for help. And if you encounter any attackers or animals, you can use the emergency alarm to scare them away. The cost of this life-saving device starts from $99. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and as always, thanks for watching.